The waiting is over. The talking is finished. Now the action begins. The Rhino is out of the cage. The Giants have arrived. This Sunday, 29th, the earth in Lira City will shake. The Rhino returns home, joining 30,000 warriors at UTC Lira Playground to witness history. Teso Province, you enter the den of the defending champions. We play for our ancestry, our blood, and the pride of Lango. The Giants are back. Okello Allan is ready. Denis Omedi is hungry. The squad is locked and ready to dominate. Gates open at 7:30 a.m. for only 5,000 Ugandan shillings. The energy is fire. The rhythm will hit your heart before it even touches your ears. From Otuke to Apache, Oyam to Kole, Doholo, Amonatar, Aleptong and Kwania. Rise up, wear your orange and white. Here, the Rhino does not know. It conquers. Lango Province versus Teso Province. One team, one people, one victory. Powered by Cuba Makerspace.